I got a 2014 Ram 3500, the 6.7. Everybody complaining about no drain plug. There's a drain plug right there. You guys can't see it very good. Let me turn on my flash. Look at it. Right there. Now what I did was I pulled the steering reservoir out of the way, reached my hand down there, put a socket on there, twisted it loose. It's dripping right now. I used a 16mm socket. There's two radiators. See it wires in right there. This guy, this guy, they go in together. Don't forget to open up your coolant reservoir there so it can siphon out.